Hey everyone, time for part 2 in our Space Marine Mark 10 helmet series. So we will be going from that freshly de-sprued helmet to something that is ready for its first coat of filler primer. And step 1 is to take a coarse sandpaper, in our case it's 80 grit, and we're going to give this thing a nice once over everywhere that we can reach. If I could go back, I would grab an orbital sander for the topmost part of this helmet, but you live and you learn. And then after that, we're going to make my favorite flavor of slurry, bondo. No, I'm kidding. We add a little bondo to a bowl and top it up with some acetone. This stuff is pretty nasty, so make sure to wear gloves. I only had one, so I attempted to keep my hand away from any of the wet mixture. And same as before, we're going to slap this on everything we can get to. This is taking forever, so let's speed it up a bit more.
You're having fun over there, kid.
I'm painting. And after that, you're left with something like this. And like I said before, this stuff is pretty nasty, so make sure you have a mask on hand because you really don't want to breathe this in. And then we're going to go over it lightly with our rough sandpaper. The mixture seeps in between the layer lines of the print, and we don't want to get rid of too much of it. And this is taking forever again, so let's speed it up. After that light sanding, you've got yourself a helmet ready for a coat of filler primer. And there you have it, guys. A very simple first step at the beginning of processing that's going to make it much easier for future me to get this guy smooth. If you like what you see and you want to see the rest of this series, make sure to give us a follow and comment down below. What chapter should we paint this guy?